cringe. Look at how she's looking at her phone. After now, she will say that I'm the boring person. I'm even here safe and she's doing as if I'm not here. How am I even going to start a conversation and she will not pick offense?
Hey, babe. Yesterday, when I was coming back from work, I saw someone that looked just like you.
Someone that look like me.
Yes.
Is she pretty?
Yes, she's pretty.
Prettier than me.
No, she's not. In fact, she's ugly.
Are you trying to say that I'm ugly?
Oh, come on, babe. I'm not trying to say anything. In fact, forget about it.
Forget about what? So you just go around looking for a girl that looks like me, visualizing everybody. What? One day you say you have seen a girl that looks like your mom.